Hey, lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to all my new lovely people. I see you. I see you. Thanks for joining the Coupon crew. We're going to do a Walmart Ibotta haul today, guys. Let's jump into it. We've got the Easy Off, guys. Now, this is actually the grill cleaner, barbecue smoker and grill grates cleaner. So you can clean your grill outside. So that's going to be great. It was on clearance at my Walmart for $2.24. This was found over with the regular cleaning aisle items. Now, $2.24 is what I had to pay in store. Didn't have a coupon, but I did get back 75 cents from Ibotta, making me final cost $1.49. I don't think that's too bad. So I'll give that to my husband. The next rebate I got, guys, was the Great Value cleaner, all-purpose cleaner with bleach. The reason why I got this is because I had an any brand all-purpose cleaner rebate. All right, this was priced 98 cents in my Walmart. No coupon, had to pay 98 cents, but I got 10 cents back from my Ibotta, making a final cost 88 cents. Yeah, not too shabby. Not too shabby. Next rebate, guys, was on the Bumble Bee solid white albacore tuna, okay? So this was priced $2.48. No coupon did I have, but I paid $2.48 in store. I got back 25 cents from my Ibotta, making a final cost $2.23, okay? You know, it is what it is, but it's some meat in a can, all right? So there we go. The next rebate, I was paying attention this time, y'all. The Skintimate, I was paying attention. Because remember I told you when I got that pink one, the pink one was $3.42. It rang up for $3.42. But this Skintimate Skin Therapy Sensitive actually was on the shelf for $3, but it scanned with the app for $2.97. But it ended up ringing up for $3. So you know what? I was like, I ain't gonna haggle over 3 pennies, but I did get it for $3. Okay. All right. So it was $3. I did use that $1 coupon from coupons.com. So I had to pay $2 in store. I got back $1 from my Ibotta, making the final cost $1. All right. So I felt way better about paying $1 than I did paying $1.42. All right. Let me just say it. The next thing. Now, tell me if this stuff has went up, or maybe I just don't buy it often enough to know that it's went up. But the Kraft mac and cheese, the deluxe, okay? This stuff was $3.43. Is that normal price? It just seemed high to me, okay? $3.43. I didn't have a coupon, but I needed one. Okay, $3.43 is what I had to pay, but I got 75 cents back from my Ibotta. Final cost $2.68. I was like, do I really want you? I don't know. The next rebate I decided to get, guys, was my degree body wash. Yeah, I got this because this is a good deal. All right, look at it. It's pretty too. It was priced $5.47 in my Walmart. I did have a coupon. I used that $2 coupon from coupons.com. So I paid $3.47 after the coupon, got back $2 from my Ibotta. And if you still got this on your Fetch app, guys, you're going to get back $2 from Fetch, making this thing be free and a 53-cent money maker. So anytime we can get that, you're going to keep on seeing it in this video from the Crystal as long as it keep reset. Okay? Now, you go get yours too now, you hear? The next rebate I decided to get was the soft soap, okay? I'm going to keep doing this one too because, heck, I can't have enough hand soap. It's a pandemic. All right, soft soap was $2.78. I'm lazy. I didn't print a coupon from softsoap.com, but you can try to see if you could find one, okay? Now, I had to pay $2.78 in store. I got $1 back from my Ibotta, making the final cost $1.78. Now, for this rebate, you must get the 13 ounce, okay? The next rebate I decided to do was, y'all know what I do. Y'all know I'm going to do my Renews It's, okay? I got the renews it. For this rebate, you must purchase 3, however. So these were 97 cents each, $2.91 for the 3. I didn't have a coupon, had to pay $2.91 in store. But there's $1 coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost $1.91 for the 3 renews it. Okay, I'm getting my stock back up. All right. Next rebate is the draft stain remover. Yeah, laundry stain remover. Had to keep getting this as long as it's resetting. $3.97, no coupon. So I had to pay $3.97 in store. Got $1 back from my bottom, making the final cost $2.97 for my draft. And this stuff is good, so you need to get on it. Okay. Next rebate, I decided to get to my Suavitel. I love this Suavitel. It smells so good. Suavitel dryer sheets. This is the complete and this is the 70 count for $2.97. No coupon. Had to pay $2.97 in store, but there's $1 coming back from my Ibotta, making the final cost $1.97. Okay. Next rebate I decided to get was the Butterfinger candy bar. It's a cheap rebate. Get with it, okay? Butterfinger is 88 cents. No coupons. I had to pay 88 cents in store. 25 cents from Ibotta. Coming back, 63 cents is the final cost for the Butterfinger. Y'all seen that little crazy commercial they got for the Butterfinger when the person going down the escalator and they got the mask on backwards and they snatched the person's Butterfinger? That's so stupid. It's so stupid, but it's funny though. So they got a whole team to, keep you from getting your Butterfinger snatched. The next rebate I decided to get was the Quaker Oatmeal Cups, guys. Now, this is the maple and brown sugar. These are pretty reasonable, only 98 cents. Great rebate because it's cheap. If you're trying to get your numbers, you get your bonuses, okay? Paid 98 cents in store, didn't have a coupon. 35 cents coming back from Ibotta. Final cost, 63 cents. Next rebate I got was my Mountain Dew, okay? Now, I'm not drinking these Mountain Dews every day, guys. I'm just throwing them in the basket for when we have a cookout, okay? A cookout, all right? Get together. You're getting you a 20-ounce drink. The Mountain Dew was $1.98. No coupon, had to pay $1.98 in store. 25 cents coming back for the Mountain Dew. Final cost, $1.73. I know it ain't much, but at this rate, we taking all we can get back. The last rebate is my Mountain Dew Spark. All right, now this is priced $3.98 in store. Be careful with this one. Make sure that if your store has it for $3.98 that you get it for $3.98. Okay, some stores it's more. All right, so $3.98, no coupon, had to pay $3.98 in store. $2 coming back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.98 because I've already gotten my credit on Fetch. If you haven't got your credit on Fetch, you may get additional points on Fetch. If it's still on Fetch, I don't know. Okay, so check your Fetch app. I had any receipt, 2 of those that actually gave me credit 10 cents twice because I did 2 separate transactions, okay? And I got it on one transaction, I got it on the other one, even though I did them back to back. So I don't know if I scanned the receipt so quickly that it didn't go away. I don't know. All right, guys, let's talk numbers. The total of everything was $38.05, guys. I only had $3 in coupons. That dropped my cost in store to $35.05. Now, what did I get back from Ibotta? I got $11.80 back in rebates. Then I got my weekend warrior bonus. I'm calling it the weekend warrior bonus. Is it still called that? But I got that, okay? I got my $5 for doing my 18 rebates. And then I got back $2.10 from Fetch. That was basically for the Mountain Dew and the smaller Mountain Dew. They gave me a few little points. So $2.10, not too bad. The final cost was $16.15. And I got 16 items. So it's about $1 an item. It's not the best, okay? I like to get it under $1 per item. But you know what? We'll take it, okay? Because I keep getting stuff that I actually want. And that's the only way I'm doing Ibotta. because y'all know my husband got me trapped back up in the Ibotta vortex. This is it. That's all for today's haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments below the video if you know any Walmart Ibotta deals that I did not cover in this video. That is a good deal. We want to know. Let the coupon crew know in the comments below of the video. And of course, if you're not already a member of the coupon crew, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button in the corner of this video? Okay, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell for notification so you would know when we're on here talking about some deals. Okay, all right, or just complaining about the price of stuff. All right, because I don't know if y'all seen my short that I posted while I was talking about gas. I was like, shh, mankind, like gas is going up. Okay, I have to burn premium in my vehicle, and okay, that's all I can say. $4 and $4, over $4. Like, what the freak is going on, people? It's been over $4 for a little minute, but it's getting real close to $5, and I'm concerned. I'm be like, hey, y'all, hello, yes, you need to come and get me. Yeah, you need to come get me, because I can't. All right, guys, that's it. Remember, click to save, and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.